Today I'll show you how to make a spider out of just a few balloons. It's a perfect little creature for your Halloween decorations, but it can also be used for many other occasions. Let's get started. The first, and probably the trickiest step, is to inflate a black 260 modeling balloon and shape it into the head and body of our spider. Inflate the balloon, leaving a small uninflated tail at the end, tie a knot, and twist the first section. This will be the spider's head. Now measure a piece of the balloon, I use about 2 hand lengths, twist it, and then make another section of the same length and connect it back to the spider's head. Next, make another piece of the same length and attach it to the back of the body. Now I twisted 2 small bubbles that will help me secure the next balloon. If you can, make 3 little bubbles here instead. It'll help stabilize the whole spider. Cut off any extra balloon and wrap the end around the bubbles. Time to make the first pair of legs. Inflate a black 260 balloon almost all the way, about 100%, and tie a knot. Twist the balloon as shown in the video. You should create a foot and a small bubble that you can easily push through its loop. Once that's ready, at about 1 hand's length from the foot, make a small bubble and twist it the way I demonstrate. Pass the balloon through the spider's body, squeeze it a little, and repeat the same steps on the other side. This gives you the first pair of legs. I'll make 2 more pairs the same way, but I'll speed up the video a bit so it doesn't take too long. Each leg is made the same way. The only difference is that I bend the front ones slightly forward and the back ones slightly backward. That bending I mentioned a moment ago helps separate the legs a bit, so the spider looks more natural. Now for the abdomen. We'll make it using a 12-inch black latex balloon, inflated to your liking. After tying it off, attach it to the rest of the spider by connecting it to those small bubbles you made earlier. The only thing missing now is the eyes. I'm using a piece of red 260 modeling balloon. Inflate it a little, wrap one end around the spider's head, and twist 2 small bubbles. Then wrap the rest of the balloon around the head and cut off the excess. Our spider is ready. All that's left is to draw or glue on the eyes, and this adorable creature can become part of your spooky decoration. If you'd like to learn more about balloon decorations and balloon animals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming lessons. See you in the next balloon tutorial on YouTube.